Welcome. In this e-learning module, I shall demonstrate and make you understand how to design the punchback plate using Catia v5. The function of the punchback plate is to absorb the force coming from the punch. The length and width of the punchback plate will be the same as the punch holder. Generally, the thickness will be 8 mm to 12 mm but can also be more. Now let me demonstrate how to design the punchback plate in Catia v5. To design the punchback plate, let's use the punch holder. Let's save this punch holder as a punchback plate. Click on the file, Save As. Don't forget to click on Save as New Document, as we need a new file named punchback plate. Change the file name as a punchback plate. Then save the file. Open the punchback plate. We don't need the pocket created for the punch head. Delete it. We also don't need the pocket created for positioning the punch. Delete it. Convert the counterbore hole created for the M10 screw to a clearance hole of dia 10.5 mm. Delete the Sketch 1 and Sketch 2 created for the blank shape and punch shape. Also, delete the unwanted Sketch 7. Delete the relief hole provided for the dowel holes. Update the thickness of the punchback plate to 10 mm. Save the punchback plate. Swap the window to punch assembly. Assemble the punchback plate to the punch assembly using the existing component command. Resolve the part number conflict. Enter the new part number as a punchback plate. Provide a coincidence constraint between the punchback plate's front surface and the punch holder's front surface. Provide a coincidence constraint between the punchback plate's right surface and the punch holder's right surface. Provide a contact constraint between the top surface of the punch holder and the punchback plate's bottom surface. Set the view to isometric and fit all in. Update the assembly. Save the punch assembly. Save all, to save all the modified files in session. With this, we have successfully designed the punchback plate using Catia v5. That's all in this e-learning module. Thanks.